Hello everyone and welcome back. This new series will be about house remodeling by amateurs. We're not professional designers, builders or remodelers by any means. So hopefully these remodeling videos will save you some time and troubles and hopefully money as well. So let's go ahead and take a look at our project house. For this walk around I actually got original photographs from a realtor website. This is how the property was offered, I would say about a year and a half ago. So let's go take a look. We have entrance through the deck. Yeah, the deck is nice, nice size, and you can enjoy season changes here. So let's take a listen. Upstairs we have a couple of small bedrooms and a kind of a rundown bathroom. That's how it looked at the moment of purchase. On the main level of the house we have living area with a real fireplace so you can burn wood. We also have another bedroom, a closet, walk-in closet with a strange window. Window is out to a mudroom. And another kind of rundown bathroom. Kitchen area is connected to mudroom with a door to a garage. Kitchen is okay, again old appliances, but nice touch that it has a granite countertops. No vent, but there are windows on the ceiling. The windows can be opened remotely, which is nice. The final area of the house is garage. It's unfinished garage, again looks kind of beat up, but it's quite spacious. Oh yeah, and the abandoned pool, which is about 300 yards away from the actual house. At the time of purchase, the pool was completely unusable. Yeah, as you can see, it was all just messed up so bad. Now let's take a walk outside. Yeah, I took this video during summer months. Of course, everything looks way better. Let's take a look. And this will be it for this video. We'll start our remodeling in the next one. So subscribe if you haven't done so, and I'll see you next time.